when you go up to 200 degrees, polymers are not an option anymore, especially for the CTE and the dimensional stability. We print with metals. At Caracol, we develop the extruder and we also develop the software. Internally, we also have the application engineering team, which can support our customers with their projects, so we can offer services, design for additive manufacturing services, we can print parts, and we sell machines. Really difficult for customers that are used to traditional technology, maybe for 40-50 years, in the marine sector, for example, in the aerospace. We just need to prove them that this technology works, and that's what we do actually. Have the possibility to replace traditional tools. We have proved that to the client for lead times reduction, for waste reduction, which is a thing, but for cost reduction, which is the main thing, the main factor, the main driver for the adoption of the technology.